Hey everybody, I'm here today with a simple driving lesson on practicing your steering in reverse. So steering in reverse is one of the things that beginner drivers find the hardest to master. And with that being said, I would recommend practicing steering in reverse as much as you can when you're a beginner driver. And even if you've been driving for 20 years, it's just something that's good to do. I myself even practice steering in reverse from time to time. I'll just do some of these drills. So I'll tell you exactly what I'm doing. And I'm doing this in a virtually empty parking lot. This parking lot has like no traffic. There's not many cars. So I would recommend doing it in a situation like this so you don't have to worry about too many obstructions as you're reversing. All right, let's get right to it. First and foremost, put the car in reverse. I'll just be telling you what I'm doing. Put the car in reverse, whether it's automatic or manual, and what you want to do is start off by reversing straight. So I'm going to hold my wheel straight, and I'm going back in reverse in a straight line. Now that's the first thing. Now you're obviously I'm going to try and keep this video short and sweet, so you're obviously going to practice reversing straight as much as you need to. Keep that wheel held straight and check all around you as you are reversing. That's the first part of the drill. The second part of the drill is to reverse, steer left, and straighten out. So you're going to steer left and then straighten out. So check this out. I'm in reverse, checked around me, good to go. So I'm reversing right now. Now I'm going to actually steer left, just like that, and then I'm going to straighten out again. So I went to steer left, then I steered back right and straightened myself out. So check this out. Reversing, I'm going to steer left, and then now I'm going to steer right to straighten out, and then back straight again. So that's the next part of the drill, okay? Now the next part is to do the opposite. You want to steer right and then straighten out. So I'm reversing, I'm going to steer right, and then straighten out again, just like that, okay? Come to a complete stop. I'm going to go reverse, steer right, and then straighten out again. And by doing that, that allows you to practice reversing and steering in one direction or the other. Not only are you steering left or right, but you're also avoiding something. Because if you steer left and you straighten out again, you know, then that's what you're doing. You're practicing the avoidance of obstacles and steering around things. Because steering left is relatively simple. Steering left and straightening out is a little bit harder. I apologize about this weird lighting of this video, but when I'm talking about steering left and then straightening out, it's like this. You're going backwards, you're steering left, and then straightening out. Going backwards, steering right, and straightening out. So you want to end up on the same pathway. It's like you're just going around an obstacle, okay? Now, once you've done that, so you've steered left and right and straightened out and so forth, what you want to do is you want to steer left around a corner. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to pretend that there's an obstacle right here because there's no obstacles right there. So I'm going to pretend that there's an obstacle. I'm reversing. I'm going to put my left signal on and I'm going to steer left around this imaginary obstacle, which is actually a parking lot line, a parking spot line, okay? So now that I am around the obstacle, I can straighten my wheel out and I've steered left around the corner. Very simple, okay? Now I'm actually going to go straight over here and we're going to do the opposite. So with each drill, you're going to keep practicing. Now I'm going to put it in reverse and I'm going to steer right around the corner. So I'm reversing, right signal on, and I'm going to steer right around the corner, which is this parking spot line right over here. Okay? Just like that. So I've now steered right around the corner. Very, very simple and straightforward. Now, the last thing that you want to do is you want to, and I won't demonstrate this now because I don't know that there's enough room in this parking lot, but you want to steer right in circles. You want to do circles in reverse when steering right, and then you want to steer left in circles. So circles in reverse when steering left. And you want to do that as much as you can. So for each of these drills, your goal is to practice as much as you can. It's not to do them once each like I did in this video. It's to do them 10 times, 20 times, 30 times each. And by doing that, you're going to practice your steering in reverse. You're going to put yourself in the best position for knowing the process for steering in reverse. These are simple reversing skills that I would recommend practicing as much as possible so that you can become great at steering in reverse. And that's basically it. Take these skill drills and practice them as much as you can. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. Are these skills helpful for you? Will you be using them in your driving to practice your steering in reverse? And also be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.